Welcome to our channel. Having proper documentation ready before filing an insurance claim significantly speeds up the process. Follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare effectively. Step 1. Maintain a current home inventory with photos or videos of all your possessions. Update it annually and after major purchases, storing copies outside your home. Step 2. Keep all insurance policy documents organized and easily accessible. Store paper copies and digital backups in multiple locations, including cloud storage. Step 3. Photograph or video your property's condition regularly, especially before storm season. These before images prove pre-existing condition versus damage. Step 4. Save all receipts for major purchases, renovations, and valuable items. These documents prove ownership and value when filing claims. Step 5. Create a detailed list of serial numbers for electronics, appliances, and equipment. This information is often required for theft or loss claims. Step 6. Keep records of regular maintenance and repairs. For homeowners' insurance claims, maintenance records can demonstrate proper care and support your claim. Step 7. Document any incidents immediately after they occur. Take photos, write down what happened, and gather witness contact information while details are fresh. Step 8. Prepare a claim filing checklist specific to your policy type, including required forms, police reports, medical records, or contractor estimates, so you can respond quickly when needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.